Hey y'all, this is Rini, and today we're gonna look at this Oreo Marvel collab, Stuff of Doom, the Twist of Power. This is a set that Oreo has just recently come out with that's all Marvel themed. As you can see in the corner here, this is special edition 4 of 4. The additional 3 that came before this were the blue bags that are all heroes, but this bag is all about villainy. In the other corner, you can see it's Mask Decadence flavored color changing cream, and we'll take a look and see how good that actually works. Spoiler alert, not very well. And it's got this really cool art of Victor Von Doom on the front, because these cookies are all about Vic. Back of the box, gotta turn it around. On one side, it's got all of your nutrition facts, but of course, if you're eating Oreos, you don't care. And then as for the design aspect, we've got Lick the Cream, Unleash a Twist of Power. And you wouldn't know it looking at the front, but these are actually specialty flavored Oreos. They are chocolate graham and toasted marshmallow flavored, so it's kind of like a s'more. So let's open these up and see what they look like. We've got our easy open tab on the side here. And there they all are. Oh. On the front side, it's your super standard Oreo, and then on the back, it's Victor Von Doom. Kind of. I think he kind of looks like a Lucha Libre, but they're saying it's Victor, so it's Victor. If we twist this guy open, you can see it's a dark chocolate cream, single layer, and that's how this cookie is all put together. Unlike the blue boxes of this that are the hero editions, the green box is all Victor's. And so next up, let's see how these taste. First, I'll try eating the cookie as a whole. So this largely tastes like a dark chocolate Oreo. I really like the flavor. It's very rich and decadent, and it's probably one of the better chocolate Oreos I think that they do, or at least that I've tried. I don't honestly try a lot of these specialty ones, but this one is better, I think, than a lot of the ones that I have tried. I'm not sure if the cookie is supposed to have any sort of like graham cracker taste to it. I honestly don't really taste any of that at all. It tastes like a regular Oreo cookie to me in the actual cookie part. Next up, let's try just the cream. So we'll take the top off and give this a go. So I've been looking at this a little bit, and the first thing you'll notice is that there ain't no green. The cookie cream itself does not turn green. If you put it in milk, it will, just the slightest hint of green will come through. I only know that because I've been looking at other videos about these. It'll also kind of tint your tongue a little bit green. Thankfully not very permanently. But overall, the color change on these is pretty disappointing. Do not get these if you're just like, I want something cool and color changing. I think my kids will really enjoy that and think it's fun. You're gonna be disappointed. Get these for the flavor. The flavor on these is really nice. Like I said, I just tried the cream on its own. And again, it has that really nice, rich, decadent chocolate flavor to it. I think the marshmallow mostly comes through in that it's a little bit sweeter than their typical chocolates, and it's just overall a really nice flavor. I would like to eat these cookies as just, you know, even if it doesn't have the Marvel theming, like, I'm good to go on these. So if you're an Oreo fan, I think these are definitely worth a shot. So that wraps up the Doom Oreos. As I said, really good. Give them a try if you're an Oreo fan. I'd love to hear in the comments if you had a chance to try any of the other Marvel, the blue box flavors. I know it was a different flavor and slightly different colors. They're out of stores now, so it's not something I'm going to be able to try, but I'd love to know how they compare to these ones. And until next time, take care, everybody.